Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your science class, book page number 33. Our today's topic is plants. प्यारे बच्चों, अल्लाह ताला ने हम इंसानों के लिए कितनी ही नेमतें पैदा की हुई हैं, जिनमें प्लांट भी एक बड़ी नेमत है। तो आज हम अल्लाह ताला की इस नेमत के बारे में जानेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Plants are really important for all living things. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen gas from their leaves, which human and other animal need to breathe. प्यारे बच्चों, जो सांस में गैस लेते हैं उसका नाम है ऑक्सीजन गैस। जब हम सांस लेते हैं उसके लिए जो हमें गैस रिक्वायर्ड होती है उसका नाम है ऑक्सीजन, जो हमें पौधों से मिलती है। Some animal and birds live on trees. Human and animal also eat plants. Plants are around us. They are in garden, home, school, mountain, and also in field. Plants have different sizes. Some are big and some are medium. Some are small. Some plants have flowers and some plants have fruit which human and animal eat. Unit 6, Growing Plants. Plants are everywhere. Plants grow all around us. They are all shapes and size. Plants grow on plants. How many plants can you see in this picture? So your homework is that draw your favorite flower with its stem. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.